Welcome to Employer Support Protect. This simple guide will help you access, manage and get the most out of the ESP package that your company is now using to manage your human resource and health and safety matters. Firstly, you will need to decide who in the business will be your admin user. This will usually be the HR manager, office manager or managing director. Choose the person who is currently responsible for the management of the company's HR, as they will ultimately have access to all the company documentation held on the ESP system. Your designated ESP representative will set up your company on the ESP platform and assign one or more admin users. You will then be supplied with login details via email. Accessing your account. As the designated admin user, you will be responsible for adding all of the company's employees to the system. Your ESP representative will send directly to you a link to the website, your login details, a link to the App Store where you can download the ESP app. To log in, you will need to type your username and password in the fields shown here. When you log in for the first time, you will be asked to change your password and set up a 4-digit PIN number. To ensure your ESP system is safe and secure, all users will be asked to do this when logging in for the first time. Make sure you keep your password and PIN safe, as you will need them when downloading important documents. Once logged in, you will see this control panel on the screen. How to add employees. Go to Employee Address Book. Click Add Employee. Here you will be able to add a photo, set a username and password, and add contact details for the employee. Unless you are setting up another admin user, you will need to set the access level as employee. Once the employees have been added to the ESP system, you can find these in the Employee Address Book. From here, you can add and delete employees, view the employee's contact details, edit the employee. You can even use the search bar at the top of the list to quickly search for the employee you are looking for. Adding an employee document. Once all your employees have been added, you can then assign multiple documents to each of them. From the control panel, click on the Employee Documents button. Then select the Add Document function. A screen will appear which will allow you to select the employee you wish to add the document to. The second option allows you to choose the document type. This could be either an employee contract or an employment letter. Once you are done, click Save. Next, select Add Your First Revision. This will allow you to upload your file and add the notes with the details of this document. To view all documents associated with specific employees, visit the Employee Documents page. In this section, you can view document details, edit documents, delete documents. Again, you can use the search bar at the top of the list to quickly search for the employee you are looking for. For data protection purposes, employees can only view and edit their own documents. Adding company documents. Finally, you'll be able to add documents to your company's portal that can be accessed by all employees and admin. These will be company-wide documentation such as company handbook or health and safety regulations. To add these documents, click on Company Documents on the dashboard. Then, click Add a Document in the blue panel. From here, you can upload the document, give it a title, and add any detail to what the document contains. Again, these are company-wide documents that can be viewed by all. The admins have access to edit and remove these. The ESP system will also let you edit the documents you have already uploaded. To do this, you will need to download the document to edit it, then re-upload the revised version. In order to keep track of these changes, users will unlock and lock the documents one at a time. This ensures that only one person at a time can amend a document and the most recent document is always the one viewable. To do this, go to Employee Documents. Click Edit a document on the individual user. Click Edit this revision, which will download and lock the file. When a file is locked, it can still be viewed by a user, but cannot be downloaded for amending. At this point, the user who has locked the file is able to submit a new version or unlock the current version to allow others to amend. Other admin users can request access to files that are locked for editing. When access is requested, an email is sent out to the current author of the document detailing who would like to access the file. This process also ensures admin users don't download a file for edit but forget to re-upload. Submitting a revised document back into the system. Click Edit Document on the individual user to make a revision. Once selected, this document will be locked to all users until the revision has been made. When you've finished revising your document, click Submit Revision. Upload the document and add a description. At this point, the user whose contract has been edited will be emailed a notification. If other users request access to this document, they will also be emailed. As an admin user, you will also be able to track the activity and status of employee information and documents on the dashboard. Every edit or update is tracked and dated.